So this week we're doing a project in Parys, Free State. So here they've got this little Eiffel Tower. It's so cute. It's a real tourist attraction. A lot of people come here for the weekend or over the holidays, and our client has just recently purchased a beautiful house on the river, and they've asked us to do the cupboards for them. So the clients actually have a very special spot here on the Vaal River. It's so beautiful here. I mean, just look at that river. It's breathtaking. So here we are doing the kitchen today. So the first step obviously was the truck that came and delivered all of the wood. So we've got a good process going. It's Stephen and Hanok with the nail gun, mostly Hanok, and myself, I was just doing some strengthening of the cupboard. So we put in some screws. All our cupboards are very, very sturdy, and we build them on adjustable legs. Interesting fact about Parys is that the river actually floods quite often. So you'll see by the client's house, they've got quite a bit of a hill before you get to the river, and the house is built a little bit higher up. If it wasn't for that, the house would have flooded many years ago. They actually, a few years ago, had a very big flood coming through, and the water came up quite high. The whole entertainment area down by the river was covered in water. The main island was quite a feature for the whole kitchen. You'll see it at the very end. It's amazing.
The house. This has got some really great stoops here. Oh wow, the doves. And then we get into the house. This has got some really great stoops here.
So the design process was quite a thing. I think we went back and forward with this kitchen island probably about 6 times, but it was worth it. It was worth it to get to the final picture. And I had to send Adrian from IJS a very big instruction manual on how exactly this island's going to come together, but he pulled it off excellently. So we always use Adrian from IJS Innovative Granite Solutions. He and his team is just phenomenal in what they do, and I mean, all of the corners came together perfectly. There was so many 45-degree corners that he had to cut and do, and it just came out so good. The kitchen island is the focal point of the kitchen. You'll see it right at the very end. So we've got drawers in the kitchen island. We've got a downdraft extractor fan. We've got the oven, and it was quite a mission because we had to wait for the suppliers to deliver everything. And it just came out as a real masterpiece. We've got a special raised section for seating, and it's got this nice block feature on the one corner. It's just something special. We were so fortunate to be part of this project. So all in all, we did the kitchen, we did all the bathroom vanities, the bedroom cupboards, and the main bedroom, the master.
And this is really stunning. This is something new. 2-color island with a grey quartz.
Yes, so we've got the raised grey quartz over here. And
that's for the breakfast nook.
Yeah, the breakfast nook. And here, right by the breakfast nook, we've got this nice pop-up plug.
Wow, yeah.
With wireless charging as well, so you can sit and work here while someone's cooking if you need to.
Well, that's fantastic.
And then we've got this very long, nice big island. Lots of prep space. And then because it's an island and we've got these nice pendant lights, the client went with a downdraft for the cooker hood. Downdraft extractor fan.
Sure, look at that, huh? And then you've
And
got
it just-
lighting on your
You've got lighting on
cooking
your
surface.
cooking surface, and it tucks away really nicely into the island.
Wow. And just the pop of a button,
Yeah, just a touch of a button and it hides away
and
again.
then it goes away again.
Yeah. So we opted for grey drawers just to make everything look extra sleek with these nice inserts,
Wow, just look
to
at
make everything fit perfectly.
the organizing is wonderful.
So you can see everything looks very neat.
I love it.
We've got a veg basket over there, or a spice pull-out, whatever you want to call it. But we also have these very special pull-outs right over here.
Oh, that adds a lot of extra space.
So you've got all of this really neatly tucked away
Wow.
within eye level, so you can easily see all your spices and sauces and stuff.
I love it.
And then the space above the fridge is normally such a hassle, but we have done this nice
That's a nice
tray
touch.
area. So for trays or baking trays or grids or stuff, you know, all the stuff that always is in your way, it's just nicely tucked away over here. And here we have a double pantry,
Nice.
and all of the shelves are adjustable.
I love the backlight there. It just adds
Yes,
something special to that.
yeah. So for a house as big as this, you've got all of this nice big space. So we've created these nice niches to display some things, and it just really livens up the kitchen a bit.
That's beautiful.
We've done some lighting here underneath the cupboards, as well as inside the niches, and all of the lights can be switched on individually, so you can really decide what mood you're going for in the evenings.
Wonderful. Also love the appliances they have. They fit in nicely with that.
Yes, yeah, the appliances really
High
elevate the
quality.
space as well. So they've got everything smeg in this nice grey that fits with the cupboards.
That's beautiful.
We specified what the height will be for the niches, so everything was specifically all the decor in the kitchen was specifically incorporated into the spaces.
And all those top ones are touch
They're all push open,
push open.
so you just press it and then it pops open. And they're soft close as well.
Soft close. You don't have to push it again. Or
Well,
do
you push it close again just to push the catch in, but to open it, you just pop it and then you can open
Yeah.
it.
Wow,
So it's really convenient.
that's great. And do you have a dustbin over here or not?
No, the dustbin's right over here.
The dustbin is over there.
Yeah.
Okay,
So it just pops open and then closed. So it's
right.
conveniently spaced here by your prepping station.
Yeah.
So you can wash your veggies, chop them, and then just sweep the peels into the dustbin.
Well, that's nice. And these have a handle underneath. The
Well,
doors.
these are Gola profiles. So they're built into the cupboard. So if you come closer, you'll see they stay there.
Oh,
So
okay.
it just stays there, and you just grab the drawer and just pull it out.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
So the profiles are incorporated into the carcass.
That gives a nice clean look that you don't have all these
Yeah,
handles.
so it's
on
very
there.
simplistic without the handles. We only have handles on the tall cupboards just to open them up a bit easier. So we really played around with different elements and everything fine-tuned to the design.
And
just
over
to
here
make
it's
it
a
look
little bit of a
perfect.
coffee station. Eh?
Yes, so this is the coffee station. So right over here, so you've got plenty of packing space.
Wow, wonderful. So what did you do in terms of a corner cabinet there? Did you put a corner cabinet?
It is a very large in-reach cupboard. So over here we just have a standard cupboard. So this one stops here. But this one goes all the way from this end all the way to the end over there.
Okay.
So I made it extra large. And just to support the weights, we've got this piece over here just to keep the shelf from sagging in. So it's really a large reach.
But it doesn't
cupboard.
go right to the
Not all the
corner.
way to the corner, because then you're gonna have to dig stuff out, but it does go in a little bit. About 40 centimeters, I think.
Oh, that's great. And you've got your microwave nicely at eye level up there.
Yes.
I love it. That's great.